Fits 1x M.2 PCIe NVMe SSD with all drive length including 2230, 30mm, 2242, 42mm, 2260, 60mm, 2280, 80mm, and 22110, 110mm. Use 1x PCIe 3.0/4. 0x4 interface, also supports installation into PCIe 4. 0x8, and x16 slots. Install into a single-width full-height expansion slot. Optional screw holes available for low-profile PCIe bracket, not included. Compatible with 2019 plus Mac Pro PCIe expansion slots. Integrated heatsink and ample ventilation for excellent passive cooling. The EZConvert Ex Pro MB987M2P-1B provides an efficient, cost-effective, and simple way to upgrade your data storage system to a high-speed M.2 PCIe NVMe SSD through PCIe 3.0/4x, 8x, 16x expansion slot. Utilizing the PCIe expansion slot, the MB987M2P-1B lets you install a M.2 PCIe NVMe SSD on the PCIe slot to save space. MB987M2P-1B is a perfect solution for systems that lack additional drive space, such as embedded computers, in-vehicle PCs, server rack mounts, compact gaming PCs, and workstation PCs. Top reviews from the United States. Make your M.2 2280 removable. I put this in a ICY 2.5U2 mobile rack using a 3.5-to-5.25 converter. I used the Dylan Kerr M.2 to U2 cable to connect to the M.2 slot on my motherboard. Now we have a easily removable M.2 2280. Worth noting is that the mobile rack requires the SATA power for the M.2 to work. For me this was a bonus as I can then use my Kingwin 6-port SATA power switch to turn it on or off. With the help of Y power cables, I am going to put one set of drives on a single switch and other sets on different switches, thus making it easy to switch OS and configuration. Love it. I have not done an official test of the speed, but it seems very fast, just as fast as when the M.2 was on the motherboard. My only con for this solution is the pricing of the U2 backplanes and mobile carriers is high. I used this hardware solution as I do not like using software-based multi-boot.